We made it. Between all the Amish buggies and the tractor trailers. Took me like 20 extra minutes to get here, but we made it. We're sneaking in. It's now Monday morning. It's warm today. High is in the 50s, believe it or not. But it's windy and it rained all night. It's real thick in through this clear cut. A bunch of red brush and briars and a whole bunch of other stuff, but they left the oak trees. So there's still oaks in here dropping acorns. The edge of a timber block here, a real small block of timber. The wind's kind of swirling, but when I set this stand up, the wind was blowing this way. So I felt like I would get some deer coming through this timber block on the back side of this field, running the edge of it with their nose into the wind. It's about 8:30. I ain't seen nothing yet. But you can't kill them from the couch. We're out here chasing. Probably could have dressed a little better, but no sense in complaining. I could be sitting at work, so. We're on the move. Wind just eating me up, so I'm gonna still hump my way out of here and go run some errands in the middle of the day here and decide what I'm gonna do this afternoon. I'm thinking about headed to the farm with the bow. I do really need to kill a couple of does out of there. And I got a couple of doe tags left, so maybe that'll be the move for this afternoon. But we shall see. Maybe we'll run into one on the way out. Who knows?